Outside right now, skies, they've brightened up a bit. This after a big wave of clouds came through with some showers earlier today. That activity since pushed off to the southeast. In the wake of that, though, we've got a little boundary which is set up here in southeast Kansas into southwest Missouri, northwest Arkansas. And that looks like it's going to be kind of a hot spot for maybe some additional thunderstorms as we head into the evening hours. I don't expect a lot of thunderstorm activity, but if something does manage to get going there, well, there's a lot of wind energy in the atmosphere, and that could organize that thunderstorm, and we could be looking at a little isolated wind or hail out of a storm or two that comes out of southeast Kansas into southwest Missouri this evening. It looks like we're kind of looking at that threat over the next 3 hours. I think it tends to shut down by about 9 or 10 o'clock this evening. The bigger threat, I think, comes Wednesday evening. Another cold front drops in from the north, and with a very hot and humid air mass out ahead of this cold front, there's going to be a lot of instability. There's also a lot of wind energy that's going to be in place. So it looks like storms will probably quickly develop on this front late in the afternoon. They'll quickly become severe, and that's when I think we have the highest chance for severe weather, up near central Missouri with those initial storms. As the storms try to push off that front, they are going to run into some resistance. And I think we're going to see that line tend to break up into clusters of thunderstorms and gradually wind down as they push toward the I-44 corridor and then south of I-44 during the evening hours. That's why it looks like the highest risk for severe weather will be probably earlier in the evening with these initial storms that'll try to get into places like Versailles and Warsaw, maybe east over toward, say, the Vienna area. Looking at the hour by hour for this evening, again, watching a shower or thunderstorm coming out of southeast Kansas. It may try to spill into our area this evening. Those fade away. The rest of the night looks quiet. Winds will pick up, and I think for Wednesday, we're looking at mostly sunny skies and windy and hot conditions. Winds are going to literally howl out of the southwest. It's going to feel more like a spring storm is approaching with wind gusts of around 35 to 45 miles per hour. By late afternoon, storms start to show up along that cold front. And look at what happens. Notice as that line presses southeast, the storms kind of break up into clusters. Maybe some heading toward the Raleigh area. Additional storms maybe heading south down I-49. Again, there will be a risk of some hail or damaging wind gusts with those storms. And I think once you're approaching I-44, can't rule out maybe a brief tornado risk either. But again, the higher chances for any tornadoes with these storms will be with those initial storms closer to central Missouri. Notice by 9 o'clock, still looking at pockets of thunderstorms over southwest Missouri, and then they kind of fade away. But we're not done with rain chances at that point. It looks like even with the front dropping south of our area, on the backside of that front, we're likely going to find scattered showers and thunderstorms on and off across the area on Thursday. Temperatures tonight dropping to about 67. Highs tomorrow close to 90 degrees. Looking ahead to Thursday, I think with more widespread cloud cover and showers and thunderstorms around on and off throughout the day, that's going to hold highs down. It looks like upper 70s across many areas to the north with low to mid 80s off to the south. Looking ahead to the weekend, Friday looks beautiful. Highs in the low 80s, a little less humid. Can't rule out a few showers on Saturday, and then Sunday rolls around with a good chance for showers and thunderstorms during the day and also during the evening hours. And we're going to have to watch out for severe weather. Now, the Storm Prediction Center has areas to our northwest slated with a slight risk of severe weather. I do expect that risk area to expand off to the east and southeast, likely encompassing our area. So after Wednesday into Thursday, I think the next threat day for severe weather is going to come on Sunday. Following that, again, another reprieve from heat and humidity as we get to early next week with highs around 80 on Monday.
Plenty to sweat it out.